The president is my father, so it's not a visit. I'm always coming to see him. And if there is any advice, he is a good listener. He listens to anybody that can advise him, particularly for the progress and for Nigeria to be moved forward. Therefore, I'm not here for a visit. I'm here to always with my father. Well, so far so good. You see what the president has started, and already president, this is not new things for him. He is a good administrator, and he has a very good policy, and all his campaign promises that he have already unveiled is going to come on reality. And by seeing what the start of his administration, many people have that belief that Nigeria, inshallah, will be the best country in the region. Therefore, we believe that Asuwaju, the president of Nigeria, will be the best president that Nigeria ever have, inshallah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.